amazing, interesting facts about horse. Today we discuss into the topic of amazing fact of horse. Horses are such a fascinating creatures. Even if you never learn to ride one, you could spend your whole life studying them and still penalty to explore. Here are 15 interesting facts about horse. 1. Horse sleep standing up. Yes, horse do sleep standing up. They sleep laying down too, but only for short times. All about sleeping habit of horse. Number 2. Horse cannot bump. That's right. Horse cannot bump, at least not the way human do. They cannot vomiting up breath through their mouth like human do either. A horse digestive system in one of a street, although they have a pretty efficient way of processing the tough fabulous food that make up their body. Number 3. You can estimate a horse age by teeth, while you can tell the exact age of a horse by its teeth. Horses need proper undue dental care for their teeth, but sometimes a horse lives longer than its teeth do. Number 4. Horse can live to be more than 30 years old. One of the most common questions about horse in now long does a horse live? The answer many surprise knowledgeable of the horse nutrition, horse care and the veterinary medicine increased because of just of the human lives expectancy of the decrease and increase in longevity. Number 5. The American Quarter Horse in the world most popular breed, appreciated by the beginner riders and the professional horsemen alike. The American Quarter Horse of the world most popular breed. Number 6. Arabian horse have one less variable of the other breeds. The Arabian horse is the foundation of the many other light horse breed. They also possess some uncommon characteristics. Arabian horse have one fewer vertebrate hip and the tailbone and others horse. Number 7. Horse are herbivorous. Human are omnivorous. Lion are the carnivorous and horses are herbivorous. They owe their teeth are the ferment of the possessing of their eye. Number 8. Horse are the herd animals. Horse in the wild in small herd, and the domestic horse feel more comfortable if they have companions too. It can be quite stressful for a horse to live alone. Number 9. Horse were the domesticated by human more than 3000 years ago. Dogs may have become domesticated around 14,000 years ago. Cats became human companions about 500 years ago. Humankind's relationship with the horse began a little more recently, about 3500 BC, although some evidence has come to the light that horse may have been domesticated even earlier. Then, horses are measured to the hands. The stand of the increment for determine the height of the horse is called a hand. A pony is the NQ under 1 to hands. Number 11. Most white horse are the actually grey. Most of the wild horse that you see were actually a much darker color at the birth of the gradually turn white. These white horses may stay at bay. Number 12. A horse resting respiratory rate is the about 4 breaths per minute. It's important to know the resting pulse and respiration rate of your horse, which the resting respiration of the horse can be as low as 4 breaths per minute. Number 13. Horses are not native to North America. Every horse on the North American continent of the depicted of the European horse, even the horse that the regarded of the wild, are actually field horse. Number 14. A baby horse is called a foal. What is the difference between a filly, colt and foal? It all depends on the gender and age, generally a foot, a boy, a horse. After all, in the warranted from the its deemed it is called the warning, but horses remain field or colt until they are 2 years of age. Number 15. The original horse was the size of the golden retriever. The original horse was no longer than golden retriever. Diminuted hydrocolate may have looked more like a small goat or deer than a modern day horse. So please tell us in comment section one of fact about horse. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting videos. Thank you.